So the back end is when we get the emails and the forms. When you get the emails and the forms, the database sorts them out into words, phrases, and then the number of times that each word appears. So by the time we sort that out in that format, we can now analyze those words and say, okay, fine, this word appears in more scam emails than others. And over time, building from the total number of emails and then total number of words, we can now fine-tune the algorithm.
From social media and emails and everything, we know that most of these things give the impression that what we have, what the spam that we have that is happening around comes from Nigeria. What we are trying to do is overturn that. These concepts are from Nigeria. It has given a false impression of the country. Now, what we want to do with WayoPedia is create APIs, create plugins that would prevent these scams from giving us a negative image. So wherever this scam is coming from, proper actions will be taken based on algorithms that are built behind it to handle this, to allow the authority to flag the IP, whatever it is that we want to do based on that.
The current stage we are at right now is basically getting content from the public, because WayoPedia is a crowdsourced platform. We are getting the content via web interface. There's a web form online right now, and we are also accepting content via email. So all this content, we're pulling it and we're analyzing it, and basically analyzing data into keywords that into a database, so that we'll be able to do further analysis on the information.
Scam has really given us a bad name in Nigeria, and for upcoming talented individuals, this has really prevented them from exploring their talent. Let me give you a practical example. Take for example, somebody is developing an e-commerce application and he wants to sell his idea across the boundaries of Nigeria. You can't use international payment system like PayPal, because PayPal actually banned Nigeria. It feels that every transaction that comes from Nigeria is actually a scam. So, and PayPal is a widely accepted payment system that is used all over the world, and that actually hindered people from exploring their talent, developing innovative solutions that could actually be used outside the shores of Nigeria. So this kind of situation actually put us back in Nigeria, and it's good for us to actually fight it, because for upcoming young individuals, if this is not fought and addressed, we see them going back and they rather exploit the, let's say, the lazy way out, maybe get a job instead of actually pushing innovative ideas out there.
So imagine a future where in Nigeria, person A tries to scam person B, and with our software and our algorithm can able to detect before the person click send button to scam person B. That is the kind of future we are looking at. That's the kind of future we are looking for Nigeria for the next generation. We cannot do this alone. We need some support. We need some experts in a certain field. We need the lawmakers to look into this as a viable project that can salvage the image of Nigeria. We see a future where things can actually happen, that because not all Nigerians are scammers, not all Nigerians are trying to spam or scam the next person, but I believe with this our initial effort, we can propel Nigeria to be one of the greatest cities and nation to be on. So with WayoPedia, we need every person along the value chain, the programmers, the algorithm experts, to join us on this project, because it's an open source project. So we need you to help us push this project further.